Today I have a full day of clients. I've got a family coming this morning. I have families that can come from far and do intensives, so we're working with healing a difficult birth, and I'm welcoming them into my studio. It's set up for play today, so come on up. This is my space and I set it up to play. So these are toys. I have puppets and lots of babies because we do a lot of play with what happens for babies, and I have toys to play what we call creative opposition in the corner with all kinds of ways to work with natural aggression. And I wanted just to show, like, oftentimes like playing a little bit of a ball toss is a great way to connect with a family. This medical kit is a favorite. We'll often do all kinds of ways to heal, and usually we work with animals. The animals them become the patients, and the whole family gets into creating healing measures. And then we do a lot of play around protection, which is really vital, especially for babies who've been hurt. And so I have a variety of puppets, and I just want to show, like, this puppet is usually the puppet that the families protect against. So the children like to play with the puppet because of the teeth. But we have a lot of puppets here, puppets that are very expressive. This is one of my favorite ones, just to have, you know, just a little, hi, oh, wow. And we have all kinds of babies and ways that we work with families to help them play out the story of what happened. And that's what we learn studying with Castellino, and this is what I do in my center with families.